Imagine you're on the verge of giving up trading because no matter what you do, your entry and exit points seem off. What if I told you there's a way to enter and exit trades with the precision of a pro? In this video, I'll unveil a strategy so effective, it turned the tides for countless traders, a tool used by over 50,000 traders worldwide. Today, we're going to unravel a trading secret that could be the game changer you've been searching for. We'll delve into the LuxAlgo indicators, a tool that's reshaping the way traders, just like you, enter and exit trades with unmatched precision. So let's dive right in. First off, navigate to the Indicators tab and equip your arsenal with LuxAlgo's premium indicators, the price action concepts, and the signals and overlays. Using LuxAlgo, I transformed my trading strategy, and I'm here to guide you through every step. And let me address the elephant in the room. These insights are generated with zero repainting. Now, let's tailor the price action concepts settings to our strategic advantage. Under the setting for the price action concepts, the strategy is going to focus on changes in market structure. So unselect the following option, cleaning up our charts. Additionally, we are going to increase the length for the order blocks from 5 to 10 to increase the length used for the analysis, and we're also going to change the length for the internal market structure from 5 to 10. Next up, fine-tune the overlays and signals indicator by activating the Smart Trail overlay. This dynamic feature, when paired with our strategy, could significantly boost your profitability. Set the signal mode to None and opt for Confirmation Simple Candle Coloring for a clear, actionable outlook. Let's kick things off with a GBP USD chart on the 15 minutes time frame. First, you need to wait for the indicator to identify a chalk or chalk plus label. These are our change of character, and more confirmed, change of character plus, which identify potential reversal points in the market. Additionally to the change of character signal, you need to wait for a bearish break of structure or red BOS label to confirm the downtrend. Now, you want to check the candle coloring and the Smart Trail indicator. Both have to confirm the downtrend by giving a red-colored candle and as well the Smart Trail being red-colored. This methodical approach, backed by internal market structure labels, empowers you with confidence for your sell trade. So you want to enter your short at the close of the candle with the stop loss located at the most recent order block, and you're going to aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. By the way, did you notice this chalk label? Labels with a dashed line are internal market structure labels with a look-back period of 10, but labels with a solid line are those with a look-back period of 50 to detect swing points. So if you get one of those being printed, this gives you way more confidence to enter your trade. Quick question for you. When you see a solid line chalk label, how does it change your confidence level in entering a trade? Does it significantly boost your assurance, or do you weigh other factors more heavily? Drop your insights in the comments below. Transitioning to a buy scenario. Firstly, you're going to wait for the change of character as identified by the LuxAlgo price action indicator. It's important to note that the entire indicator is all based on price action and, more specifically, market structure. Now, as an additional confirmation, you need to wait for a green BOS label, which represents a break of structure. This is where price is breaking the recent highs, which is confirming our bullish price analysis. Lastly, you need to take a closer look at the Smart Trail indicator, which has to be blue colored, and you need to check the candle coloring, so the candle has to be colored in green by the signals and overlays indicator. Notice once again we got this swing BOS label being printed, which gives you more confidence to enter a buy trade at this point. And another tool you can check for more confluence is the trend strength, which is actually bullish and is at almost 72%. So with all of this confluence, the chalk label, the BOS label, the huge BOS label, the green colored candle, the Smart Trail being blue colored, and the bullish trend strength, you can confidently enter your buy trade. You want to set your stop loss below the most recent order block, and you want to target 1.5 times the risk for your take profit, and boom, there we go. Target hit. But what about when the signals seem to invite a sell, yet the market's underlying trend suggests otherwise? Let's explore a scenario that underscores the importance of heeding the bullish indicators and trend strength, showcasing why jumping into a sell could end in a stop out, teaching a valuable lesson in patience and market analysis. So here's a chalk label combined with a BOS label. But let me tell you why you wouldn't want to enter a sell trade at this point. Let's disable the order blocks for a second. First, you want to notice that the market is currently trending up, showcased by the green colored candles and the Smart Trail being colored in blue. You want to keep in mind there was this huge change of character label being printed, and by taking a look at the actual trend strength, which is around 0, none of those should give you confidence to enter a sell trade at this point. Let's enable the order blocks again and position a sell trade to show you what would have happened if you had entered this sell trade, ignoring all the bullish signals the indicators gave you. As you can see, the market would have stopped you out simply because it was only a small pullback before the market continued to rise. Now let's take a look at the most recent trade examples on Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame. First, you need to wait for the change of character. Next, you need to wait for a bearish BOS label. Now, as an additional confirmation, you can spot here a huge swing BOS label, which represents a break of structure. The solid line represents a higher time frame break of structure, which is further aligning with our analysis. And finally, you need to check if the Smart Trail is red colored, and as well if the candle is colored in red. And for more confluence, you can as well check the trend strength, which is at 78%. So all of this confluence will give you enough confidence to enter a sell trade at this point. And again, you are going to still have your stop loss above the order block, and you want to target 1.5 times the risk for your take profit. Moving forward, here you can spot now a potential long trade. So let's go through what you can see here on your chart. Zoom Zooming out, we are currently in a downtrend, but let's check all signals you can spot here. First, you can see a bullish chalk signal and a bullish BOS signal, so 2 rules for our strategy are already met. Next, the smart trail and the candle coloring are both giving bullish signals, and taking a look at the trend strength, it is green colored, which signals a bullish trend strength, but it shows only around 38%, so that value itself shouldn't give you too much confidence. Keeping all signals in mind, you can enter this buy trade, but remember this is a risky trade, so there's a high chance of getting stopped out. So let's see how this one will play out. And, lucky shot, this one's a winner. But as I already showed you on the GBP chart, you can't win 100% of your trades. So keep in mind some of your trades will be losers as well, particularly if you're a beginner trader and trading against the trend. So if you're a beginner trader, I'd advise you to not take those kind of trades. Now before we end today's video, let's go through one more trade example. So step 1 and step 2 are identifying a chalk and a BOS label, both are bearish and are located here and here. Step 3 is checking the candle, which is colored by the signals and overlays indicator. It's red colored, which is good. Step 4 is checking the smart trail overlay, which is red colored and is giving you more confidence to enter a sell trade. And finally, you can check the trend strength, which is actually bearish with only a 3%. But we noticed already the market is currently in a downtrend, so everything's looking quite good and you're going to enter a sell trade at the close of this candlestick. You're going to use the most recent order block for your stop loss, and you're going to target 1.5 times the risk for your take profit. But before revealing the outcome of this trade example, did you notice this supply zone? Let me know in the comments if you would still have used the order block for setting the stop loss, or if you'd rather have used the high of the supply zone. Wrapping up, if you're on a quest for a trading breakthrough, LuxAlgo's premium indicators stand out as a beacon, guiding over 50,000 traders towards their goals. Dive into the description below for a link to this transformative tool. Embrace the journey to trading mastery with LuxAlgo, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. Become a better trader and check out my next video where I'm unraveling more trading strategies and insights. Together, let's elevate our trading to professional heights.